Hi, back with me again. This time I have two KWA Kriss Factor loading nozzle. The black one is the original loading nozzle, whereas the red one is a 3D printed KWA Kriss Factor loading nozzle. Here is a closer look of both the loading nozzle. I'll be putting up the file soon on Couch 3D, but I have to tell you that you need a very good and accurate printer to print one of these. I use PLA Plus to print the file, but it still needs a lot of work, like filing this side, a little bit of this side, and also this side. But overall, I think it will work. I've not tried it yet, but I think it will work. Here is a closer look again of the printout. Okay, let's put the original aside first. I'll start with the assembly. Let's put the spring first, just to make sure that it sits perfectly well. Okay, and then followed by the jet valve. So sit perfectly well as well. Okay, and the next thing would be the end cap. I have also designed this using O-ring instead of the standard piston, so you can always print one yourself. Instead of using the standard piston, you can just use an ordinary O-ring. I'll be putting up the file also soon, but for the time being, let's put this thing on and let's see how it performs. The piston rubber is also 3D printed using PTU rubber. Okay. So just slide in. It does have a little bit of resistance, which you will need in order to compress the air or the gas. You can see the knots here. So sit perfectly well here. And the hole should line up perfectly. This should line up perfectly well. Before we put the pin on. Okay. So once the pin is inside, you just have to make sure that it sits perfectly well without any protruding pin, which will prevent the loading nozzle from performing smoothly. and you can just now try on the bolt carrier. So slide in smoothly without much resistance. Okay, so let's close the pin. Now the challenge is to get this pin right here. Okay, so just to make sure that the hole has lined up perfectly, you should see it through like this. Before punching the pin, use a tool just to try if the hole has already lined up. As you can see here, it does line up. So all you need to do is punch the pin in. So once the pin is inside, check again just to make sure that the spring works well. Now the next step is to punch the pin here and this one here.